Imagine a world in which self-driving cars populate the roads and ferry us from place to place, essentially stamping out the potential for us to get into fatal accidents or obtain $100 tickets. A world in which AI-powered robots work alongside us to accomplish tasks previously deemed as humanly impossible. A world in which unknown cures for diseases are finally discovered with the help of machines that can find complex patterns and process information over 100 times the speed that we can.
These all sound absolutely incredible, don't they? At one point in history, things like these were unheard of. They were deemed completely unreal and impossible. But with the recent rise in power of artificial intelligence, they are now more real than ever. AI is the future, and as you can see, it can positively impact us in ways previously unthinkable. So wouldn't it be cool to learn about this fascinating field and create wonders of your own? You could be the one to harness the power of AI to find a cure for cancer. You could be the one to build an algorithm to predict the next fatal earthquake. And the first step to that is learning about artificial intelligence. But there's just one problem. How exactly do you go about doing that? I mean, if you look online, there's not exactly a consolidated, step-by-step process of learning about AI and all of its many subfields. Moreover, courses are often 50 to 100 hours long, or cost thousands of dollars, or even both. And this information overload on the internet often makes AI seem more daunting and complex than it actually is. And how do I know? Well, I faced all these difficulties. When I first wanted to dive into this field, this is exactly how I felt. And the same goes for others I know who have tried to embark on this journey as well. But what if I told you that there's a way out? Hi, I'm Ashika, founder of Academy, and through this channel, I hope to address these problems. I recently started an AI club that has benefited members of my community, and that has inspired me to create this channel for a broader audience. This channel will guide you through the ins and outs of this intriguing field and everything it entails. You'll gain a solid mastery in AI through the knowledge you'll acquire after viewing the bite-sized interactive videos, as well as through the practical projects that you'll learn how to execute. A new video will be published every Saturday, and each one will give you a solid understanding of a specific concept through 3 to 7 minutes of a combination of animation, examples, and live teaching. In each video, you'll also have access to an interactive PDF that will guide you through specific notes that you can take during each video, which will capture salient aspects of AI that you can take away. It'll serve as a memorable keepsake for future reference. The first few videos will be broad introductions to AI and its subfields, and after that, I'll have a set playlist that'll go in more depth on each of the subfields and include an interesting project at the end. So if you're excited to embark on your journey towards mastering artificial intelligence, make sure to subscribe to this channel. I'll also be doing some cool giveaways, so make sure to turn on notifications so that you know exactly when a video is released and can take quick action. And please don't forget to like this video and leave a comment down below on your thoughts as well as anything you'd like to see. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.